Hi, thank you for watching this Amherst Alarm tutorial video. My name is Joseph Peabody, and we will be looking at the PG9913 Carbon Monoxide Detector and how to replace the battery in it. Before checking the battery, please call Amherst Alarm Monitoring Response Center to let them know you will be working on this device. It will cause a tamper alarm to indicate on your keypad and notify the Monitoring Response Center. To get started, this is the PG9913 Carbon Monoxide Detector. To remove it from the base plate, you do a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then you can flip it over, open up the base plate or the cover for the battery, disconnect the battery, and with your new battery, you would reconnect it. Insert it back into its cubby, close the cover. After inserting the battery back into its holder, press the battery cover closed. Then you can put the carbon monoxide detector back on its base plate, perform a quarter turn clockwise, and if it's still beeping, you can press and hold the test to mute button for approximately 10 seconds, and then it will silence. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please call Amherst Alarm at 716-632-4600. Thank you.